Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're checking out the Coleman 13S, a compact travel trailer with one of the smartest layouts you'll find in its class. It may be small, but every inch has been designed to maximize living space. If you're looking for an affordable first camper that's lightweight, practical, and easy to tow, this one deserves a closer look. One of the biggest advantages of the Coleman 13S is its lightweight design. It weighs in at under 2,900 pounds unloaded with a 340-pound hitch weight, making it suitable for many smaller SUVs and properly equipped tow vehicles. A towing capacity of around 4,000 pounds or more is recommended, along with a receiver hitch and enough payload capacity to safely handle the hitch weight and your travel gear. The unique rear entry door is what makes this floor plan possible. While the rear wall naturally collects more road dust during travel, it's a simple area to wipe clean once you arrive at camp. The benefit is a much more open and functional interior layout that stands out in a trailer this size. Outside, you'll also find dual awnings, one above the entry door and another along the campsite side, both featuring integrated LED light strips. A sturdy entry step and grab handle make getting in and out simple and secure. This trailer is also prepped for portable solar, allowing you to add a compatible solar system later if you decide to spend time off-grid. The goal here is keeping the camper simple and affordable, while still giving owners room to upgrade in the future. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice how efficiently the space has been designed. Even though this is an entry-level camper, it provides the essentials many campers are looking for, including a fully enclosed interior bathroom. Just inside the entrance is a comfortable sofa with storage underneath. It also includes bar stools, and the sofa quickly converts into an additional bed when it's time to sleep. Above the sofa is a fold-up bunk that raises to create more headroom during the day and lowers when extra sleeping space is needed. It's a clever design that adds versatility without taking up valuable floor space. Across from the seating area is a compact dining table that also works perfectly as a workstation for laptops, meals, or planning your next adventure. The kitchen offers an impressive amount of usable countertop space for a trailer this compact. Since there's no propane system on board, cooking is handled by an electric cooktop, which also complements the trailer's all-electric design. The wrapped countertop material is easy to maintain, and keeping the seals around the sink and walls in good condition helps prevent moisture from damaging the surface over time. Nearby, you'll find the main control panel with switches for the interior lights, water pump, and awning, placing all the primary functions within easy reach. The kitchen also includes a standard RV microwave, along with a refrigerator positioned below, giving you the essentials needed for everyday meal preparation. Storage has been thoughtfully incorporated throughout the interior. Multiple cabinets, drawers, and under-counter compartments provide room for kitchen supplies, food, and camping essentials, helping keep everything organized while traveling. Large windows line the campsite side of the trailer, bringing in natural light while providing a pleasant view outside whenever you're relaxing indoors. If you decide to add a television, the layout gives you flexibility. A smaller TV can be mounted on the wall, or a larger screen can simply be placed on the nearby countertop for viewing from the seating area. Cooling is handled by a side-mounted air conditioner that delivers direct airflow into the cabin, helping keep the interior comfortable during warmer camping trips. The sleeping area features a compact bed that's smaller than a traditional queen mattress, but it still provides a dedicated place to rest. Alongside the bed are convenient USB charging ports, power outlets, and a window that adds natural light and ventilation. Additional storage cabinets beside the bed provide space for clothing and personal belongings, making it easier to stay organized despite the trailer's compact size. The bathroom makes excellent use of limited space. Inside, you'll find a small storage closet, a vent fan with an integrated light, a plastic toilet, and enough floor space for basic daily use. The shower area includes a protective curtain that helps shield the entry door while showering. Although compact, it offers the convenience of having a fully enclosed bathroom inside such a lightweight camper. Above the bed, a roof vent improves airflow and helps circulate fresh air throughout the sleeping area. Stepping back, you can appreciate the entire interior layout. With no slide-outs to operate, setup is quick and simple, making this trailer especially convenient for weekend getaways and frequent travel. Around the rear exterior, you'll find manual stabilizer jacks, an open underbelly, dedicated sewer hose storage, and the water heater. While it's not specifically designed for extreme cold weather camping, it can still be used comfortably with proper preparation. Moving to the front, there are no propane bottles since this camper operates without a propane system. You'll also find the battery location and a manual tongue jack for hitching and unhitching. Along the side of the trailer, there's an exterior power outlet, durable metal fender skirts, basic steel wheels, and entry-level tires, all selected to help keep the camper affordable while remaining practical for everyday camping. Overall, the Coleman 13S delivers an excellent combination of lightweight towing, practical features, flexible sleeping space, and exceptional value. If you're searching for an affordable first RV with a smart layout, this compact camper is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.